In this video today, we will see what to do if you can't find the home button on the home screen of your Samsung device. For that one, go to settings here, go to display, go to this option here called navigation bar, and if you see here there is an option navigation type. So we have two options here, navigation buttons and full screen gestures. Right now full screen gestures is selected. So what you need to do, you have to select this option navigation buttons. And you can see at the bottom now there is home button. So in this way you can bring back missing home button on the home screen of your Samsung device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.